Spreadsheets are great, but here are two big reasons you need to use ProductEngine instead of Excel for product and pricing information. Managing pricing with spreadsheets is hard. If you have multiple vendors or suppliers, keeping track of all of their changes using a single spreadsheet gets exponentially difficult. More often than not, you end up with lots of files on your desktop with lots of numbers at the end of them, and you can't tell which is the right version without opening it. This is what multiple vendors look like in ProductEngine. You can upload multiple CSVs and decide which ones you need to import. If a supplier uses ProductEngine to share a price list, they don't even need to email you a spreadsheet. It just shows up in your ProductEngine library.
It is really hard to copy pricing and product data into spreadsheets. Ever accidentally do this? Copied a row of data only to find out that the source has columns in a different order? Now you have to either edit your spreadsheet or the supplier spreadsheet when all you needed was 5 rows of data. You're wasting time over something that shouldn't have taken more than a few seconds. This is what importing data looks like in ProductEngine. You don't have to worry about the order of the columns. They will always get mapped the way you specify, or the import messing with existing calculations or formulas in your library. As long as your product codes are consistent, ProductEngine takes care of the rest.